Welcome to Spirit Specialty Solutions, where we're dedicated to helping you sell more food safely. And we do that with our over 25 patented products for the food service industry.
This is our Intertek Listed, Health Code Approved Sneeze Guard Canopy. It's custom fit and it complies with all regulations to make your roller grill area stand out from the competition. This is constructed from powder-coated aluminum with a food-safe polycarbonate canopy access at the top and the sides, designed to work with all of our patented products. The sleek design is made to fit any grill size. Our Canopy Sneeze Guard system allows the product to be accessible to both the customer and the employee. It can be easily branded with high heat window clings and is guaranteed to sell more product.